Hello everyone and welcome back to another Star Wars figure review. Today we're going to take a look at this guy here, which is obviously Lando Calrissian from the deleted scenes wave of the Vintage Collection. Very cool figure, very great combination of soft goods and plastic, and just overall a great addition to the collection. As you can see, the camera is much higher quality. Finally bought a full HD video camera, so you guys can look forward to seeing my reviews in full HD. But obviously, before we get too much into the figure, we are in fact going to take a look at the packaging it comes in. Okay, so obviously up at the top you do have the Star Wars Return of the Jedi logo. Just underneath that you do have the name tab, Lando Calrissian Sandstorm outfit, and a very nice computer generated image of Lando there with the Kenner logo just beneath him. And of course you got some vehicles that are available throughout the Vintage Collection. Last Wave's figures and the other 5 figures from this wave, along with the classic Star Wars logo up at the top and the name tab, which tells us which, or the number tab that tells us which figure this is. So, on to the figure. So the first thing I want to take a look at is this absolutely, I'm just going to move the camera a little bit, this absolutely phenomenal looking head sculpt on this guy. Looks great. Very good looking head sculpt. The skin tone is a little bit too light in my opinion, but nonetheless it does look very good. Pretty easy to tell who it is. He does come, one of his accessories that's supposed to go on this Sandstorm outfit is this pair of goggles here, which looks quite well. They look a little big on the figure, but it's not too bad. Then obviously he has the soft goods poncho, which actually does go over the figure's body quite well and doesn't look too bad at all. Now if we take that off, we have the outfit that he wore in Return of the Jedi when they went to go rescue Han Solo from Jabba Hutt's palace. And it looks absolutely phenomenal in my opinion. You got some very nice wear and tear on the chest piece, as well as on the shoulders there. It just really looks absolutely fantastic on this figure. Very good looking detail in the pants. Just overall, I absolutely love this guy. I'm so happy to have him in my collection. The back of him, and then it's kind of dark, but you can see kind of some miscellaneous straps and stuff going around the body. But overall, just a great look to this guy. It does include a holster. If I just kind of lift up his arm here, you can just see it. Which this gun, which I'm about to show you, slots very nicely into. So here is the gun that is included. Which has some very nice detail in there. Not a lot of color, but nonetheless still looks pretty good. And obviously, like I said, I can go right into his little pouch. In terms of other accessories that Lando comes with, it does come with this very, very nice looking spear. Some great little detail in there. This interesting little scanner thing. Also some pretty nice detail, especially right there in the back. Little parts and components. And my favorite part about this figure is the skiff guard helmet. That's absolutely awesome. Probably my favorite part about this figure, honestly. I think it looks absolutely great. It's very well detailed. In terms of articulation, Lando Calrissian features a ball-jointed neck, ball-hinged shoulders and elbows, swivel wrists, swivel waist, swivel hips, ball-hinged knees, and ball-hinged ankles. And there he is, in all of his glory. So, there he is one more time. Mr. Lando Calrissian. I'll be back soon to do more vintage collection reviews and hopefully start doing the next wave of the vintage collection here pretty soon. But until then, obviously, everyone take it easy and may the force be with you.